Make money with CPA marketing free traffic method. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an amazing strategy to make money with CPA marketing free traffic method right here. And if you do go on to checking out the platform we're going to be utilizing, based on similar web statistics, gets about 3.6 million visits in the last 28 days. And if I scroll down to the bottom section, you can see right there most of its traffic comes from the United Kingdom right here. About 94% come from the United Kingdom right now, which means that it will be quite much more advisable to go on to promoting a United Kingdom offer. That's why, guys, you just need to watch this video to the end as we dive right into the strategy. If you're new to my channel, which is OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online. If you do like such content, go to my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also, do hit the like button to the video and also subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Diving right back into the video of today, guys, we're going to be utilizing this platform called CPAGRIP. You can register for an account via this section, then go on to log into your account, of which you'll be brought to a page such as this. Come on to this offer tools section, select that, select my offers, be brought to this page, and you could just simply filter your offers to the United Kingdom. So if I do go on to filtering my offers to the United Kingdom right now, I can actually also filter my offers to get offers from, or to filter the offers based on payouts. If I do click on payout right now, it's going to show me from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offer. This right here is a very cool sweepstake offer that gives out about $500 gift card for free right here. And you can see right here that it actually utilizes or needs people from the United Kingdom to utilize an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this affiliate link right here. And I do get paid $10.27 per person that actually does that. So if I get about 100 or maybe say 10 leads each and every single day, I'm going to be making about $100 every single day from that particular offer. So you can just simply copy the offer, create a simple landing page with Google Sites, Linktree, or Systeme.io. There are a lot of landing page builder sites out there that you could just simply go on to creating landing pages for absolutely free. And the importance of landing page is that it actually helps you go on to increasing your conversion rate for your CPA marketing offers. That's why it's necessary that you do create a landing page and link that to that CPA marketing offer before you can then go on to promoting that right there. And guys, if you're finding it difficult creating a landing page, I have a lot of videos that show you how to do just that. Come on to my channel. You want to click on this search icon and just simply go on to type in a landing page. And if you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see the videos right here I have for you that shows you how to create landing pages with Systeme.io, with Google Sites, Webflow, other websites out there. So just simply grab hold of those particular videos as they help you create simple landing pages. Then you can just simply go into promoting that utilizing this platform right here called the freeads.co.uk. This is an amazing free ad platform where you can go on to promoting your CPA offers for absolutely free. As you can see right here, these are actually some free stuff right now for the United Kingdom, for residents of the United Kingdom. People are actually coming on to this platform, like I showed you earlier, using similar web statistics on this particular platform called the freeads.co.uk. You can see that they get about 3.6 million visits every single month right there, and this was just in the last 28 days. So you can actually go on to utilizing this platform because they get a huge amount of traffic. You can utilize this platform to get traffic to your CPA offer. All you need to do is just simply come right here, click on post ad. So once you do click on post ad right now, the next thing which you want to do is to go on to selecting the category for the offer right now. As you can see, there are a lot of categories right here. You can search for categories right now. Maybe I could just simply search for gift. So you can see right here, this is a gift category. Select that right here. And if you do select that, you just need to go on to inserting a very cool title. You can use exactly the same title as in CPAGRIP right here. And if I do copy the title, head back to that platform, is that in right here. Make sure you go on to drafting out a very cool description. I could use the same description with CPAGRIP so as not to waste much of our time, but make sure you go on to drafting out something quite cool right there that's actually a lot more attractive right now. So you can actually go on to putting in a price if you do want to, but it is quite much more important that you go on to giving this for free right now. Now once you do that, you could just simply enter your email address, your phone number, and you could share your location before going on to the next phase. So guys, take note of this right here. If you actually do come onto this section, you need to go on to put in a valid United Kingdom phone number and also a valid zip location. And for the phone numbers, you can get that from this platform called the receive-smss.com. As you can see, these are actually valid phone numbers in the United Kingdom. Copy anyone and utilize that. For the zip code, you can come onto this platform which is called Best Randoms, and you want to just simply go to selecting the country of your choice. Maybe I'm just going to select the United Kingdom. And if I do come right here and type in United Kingdom, you can see that right here. If I do click on generate, that will actually be selected right here. And here is a zip code right now for that particular demographic. So I can just simply copy that, head back to that particular platform, and go on to pasting that right here in this section. So once you do click on next right here, as you can see, it says I should simply go on to add in some cool photos, where I can actually add photos right here. And I can just simply go on to adding photo for that offer. Maybe if I do go back to CPAGRIP, download this particular photo by right clicking on the photo and clicking on save image as, save the image on my device, head back to that platform, click on upload, and actually upload that particular image right here. Once I'm done, click on continue right now, and it's going to go on to taking me to the next phase right here. And as you can see right here, I'm on the next phase right now, and you can see my ad has successfully been posted on this particular platform. As you can see right here, it says thanks for posting, your ad will be live shortly, post again in this category, or I want to post a new ad. So you can see how simple it is, and a lot of people guys will be able to see your ads right here. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like right now. You could view that, or you could edit that, and you could check how cool that actually looks. So basically, this is a very simple strategy that even a beginner can grab hold of to go on to promoting their CPA marketing offers and make money online. If the video did add some value, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.